Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram this profile is not available problem or Instagram this account is private problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Tap or hold on Instagram application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Again open your Instagram app. Go to Profile Picture. Click on 3 line. Scroll down. Tap on Help. Again tap on Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem. Again click on Include and Continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team, this profile is not available or not showing problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. Step 3. Again open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram this profile is not available problem or Instagram this account is private problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.